Hey guys, we're going to be reviewing Benzinga Pro today, a subscription-based service that gives investors access to cutting-edge stock research and news. So it's my goal today to investigate all of the service's features, show you how they stack up to the competition, and discuss the pros and cons as well as who Benzinga Pro is best for. Thank you guys so much for checking out this review. This is what we do here. We try to make money simple, so if you want more honest money reviews or really just want to join a community, please go ahead and subscribe. Click that little bell as well so you never miss another video. I forgot to mention it is free and it really does help us out. Anyway, back to Benzinga. With Benzinga Pro, traders can get access to stock screeners, market data, analyst ratings, and other essential investment information. The platform also has a built-in social community, so you can connect with other investors and share trading ideas. Benzinga Pro works on a subscription model. If you want to use the platform, you first need to sign up for an account and pay for the membership. To get started with Benzinga, do the following. You're going to navigate to the Benzinga Pro website. You're going to click the menu button, press login. You're going to switch to the sign up tab and then enter your personal details and create a password for your account. Benzinga Pro offers all new investors the option to complete a free 2-week trial period before their paid subscription begins, but you'll still need to choose a subscription plan and enter your payment details to activate the free trial. Your credit card won't be charged until after your trial is over, and you can cancel your subscription without penalty before the trial even ends. All right, so we're gonna come back to pricing and fees, but let's first take a look at some of the features Benzinga can offer to investors. Benzinga Pro's primary feature is its customizable real-time market news alerts. You can opt to receive email or browser notifications for any alerts that you opt into on the platform. There are dozens of types of alerts that you can activate, including alerts on different asset classes, things like stocks, bonds, forex, and commodities. You can also opt into alerts about new IPOs, insider trades, dividend reports, and analyst ratings, so you can stay one step ahead on the markets. The next feature are stock calendars. Stock calendars are a unique feature from Benzinga Pro that helps you keep track of all the stock market's most important events. With these calendars, you can quickly and easily see when different stocks plan to release dividends or when they'll have earnings calls. You can also check out dates for other market events such as SEC filings, IPOs, stock splits, mergers, and acquisitions. The primary benefit of stock calendars is that they let you find the information you need with minimal hassle. You can also filter your calendar results based on several factors such as whether a given stock is in your portfolio or if it has an analyst buy rating. So to sum it all up, stock calendars is a pretty powerful tool that can streamline market research with the push of a button. The next feature is the chat room feature. It's a built-in social network that provides a convenient place for investors to chat about market trends. The company's chat room feature is available to all investors, and it's marketed as a place for traders of really any level. There are multiple chat room channels available, including the Benzinga Pro Lounge, Benzinga Crypto, and Benzinga Pro Day Trading, all of which serve investors with different trading interests. With that said, Options Inner Circle channel, which is led by investing guru Nick Shaheen, is only available for Benzinga Pro Options mentorship subscribers. Another feature is called Movers. Movers is a cool feature from Benzinga Pro that makes it easy to see the market's biggest gainers and losers in that real time. And so with this feature, you get up to the minute feed on the market's gainers and losers, which you can filter by market cap, stock price, sessions, like regular, after hours, pre-market, time frame, maybe a certain hour of the week, and sector. What this does is it lets you quickly find the largest market movers in certain sectors without the need to do hours of stock research. Moving on, there's a feature called Real-Time News Feed. It provides you with a stream of market news from outlets like Benzinga Singles, Partner Links, and Benzinga Wire. Benzinga Pro subscribers can also use the firm's advanced newsfeed feature, which lets you filter news alert by sources, stock price, and those categories. You can also set up desktop notifications for new headlines that match your preset criteria to ensure that you never miss an important piece of market insight. Another feature is their options activity. If you're looking to master options trading, Benzinga Pro's options activity tool should be on your radar. This feature serves as a second signals-like tool that is designed to specifically be for options traders. It offers real-time updates about unusual activity in the options markets, including large block trades at or near the bid. The options activity tool lets you filter real-time data based on your watch list or various financial and technical criteria. With that said, this feature is only available if you have the options mentorship subscription or if you pay for the options activity add-on. Next is the stock screener and scanner features. The stock screener is a straightforward way to quickly search for and identify potential investment opportunities. It lets you filter securities using either technical metrics or fundamental stats so you can find stocks that meet your preset criteria. The scanner is a more user-friendly alternative to the company's stock screener tool. It offers many of the stock screener's features, but in a pared down format for quicker market analysis. The scanner lets you search for stocks in real time using preset filters like maybe market cap, price change, volume, maybe even shares outstanding. It also lets you choose between refresh rates of 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or 1 minute, so you can decide how quickly your scanner dashboard updates with new information. Then we have Audio Squawk. It's a premium feature for Essential and Options Mentorship subscribers that gives you a real-time audio news broadcast of breaking market trends. These broadcasts are available from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time each business day, so you can get an audio live stream of key headlines in stock market related news. And our final feature that we're highlighting is called Watch List. Watch List is a popular Benzinga Pro feature that makes it easy to keep track of your favorite stocks. When you use Watch List, you can create customizable lists of the stocks in your portfolio or the stocks that you're interested in trading. All watch lists on Benzinga Pro update in real time to give you a quick snapshot of how a given asset is performing. You can also create custom watch list alerts for breaking news about the tickers on your list, or you can get a daily email digest of how market news affected your assets. So now that you know what you can expect with Benzinga Pro, let's briefly discuss the pricing and the fees. Investors can choose from 3 different subscription plans for Benzinga Pro. Benzinga Pro Basic is the platform's entry-level subscription package. It includes watch list alerts, NASDAQ basic delayed price quotes, movers, scanner, newsfeed access, key stock stats, details tool, a calendar suite, in-platform support chat. A basic subscription plan with Benzinga Pro costs $27 per month, whether you purchase a subscription or a monthly or annual basis. For investors who want even more market data analysis tools, Benzinga Essential is worth considering. This plan includes everything you get with the basic plan plus NASDAQ basic real-time quotes, news desk chat, signals not including options activity, sentiment indicators, and Audio Squawk. Benzinga Pro Essentials costs $197 per month when paid monthly and $166.42 per month when paid annually. Benzinga's options membership is a solid option for investors who want additional educational tools as well as access to analysis on options trading. This subscription includes everything in the Essential plan plus Options Inner Circle chat room, trading mentorship from Nick Shaheen, additional educational resources, regular market overview with Nick Shaheen, exclusive webinar sessions, and options activity add-on. The Benzinga Options Mentorship subscription costs $457 per month if you pay monthly and $381 per month when you pay annually. Now, as we did mention earlier, to help investors see the benefits of Benzinga Pro, the company offers a 14-day free trial to all new subscribers. Any new subscriber is eligible for this promotion. However, you have to enter your credit card details to activate your free trial. Now, your payment won't be processed until your free trial ends, and you have the option to cancel your subscription before your card is charged. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description as well as pin the link in the comments below if you're starting to think Benzinga Pro may be a good option for you. Maybe before you make that decision, let me share with you a few pros and cons of the service that we found through our research. When it comes to the pros, there's exceptional real-time news alerts about stocks that matter most to you. There's access to built-in social network to connect you with like-minded traders. There's powerful stock screener and scanner tools. There's fully customizable platform to suit your investing needs. Their security widget provides comprehensive data about thousands of equities. The stock calendar makes it easy to track major market events. extra features available for options traders with Benzinga Options Mentorship. When it comes to the cons, it is very expensive subscription plans, which definitely stand out to me. There's limited charting tools. There's minimal support for ETFs, mutual funds, commodities, and crypto. The basic plan doesn't provide real-time market quotes. There's no brokerage integrations that are available. The platform interface can be a bit overwhelming at first. And finally, options trading tools require an extra fee or a Benzinga Options Mentorship plan. So I've been sharing a ton of information about Benzinga Pro. If you're still on the fence, there are some other similar competitors or other options out there. We've reviewed trade ideas and TradingView on the blog, so you can head over there to check those out. We've also done reviews here on the channel on Seeking Alpha and the Motley Fool, so definitely check those out as well to figure out which one might meet your needs the best. All right, finally, let's answer the question, who is Benzinga Pro best for? Benzinga Pro is ideal for the intermediate or experienced investor who wants access to all the latest market news and data in one place. The customizability of Benzinga Pro and its plethora of financial and technical information makes it a sure bet for high volume traders and people who want to stay one step ahead of the markets. That said, Benzinga Pro's high subscription fees and complex user interface mean that it's not ideal for the first-time investors. The platform's limited support for ETFs, mutual funds, commodities, and crypto also suggests that it's best for traders who are primarily interested in buying and selling stocks. Phew, I hope I provided some clarity for you, or maybe I just confused you more on which platform might be best for you and your investment needs. Either way, let us know in the comments below what you think. Also, please do us a favor and smash that like button below for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video.